How to fix Fortnite Crash Reporter. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to fix the Fortnite Crash Reporter error on PC. If you're experiencing crashes while trying to play Fortnite, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Keeping your graphics drivers up to date is crucial for optimal game performance and stability. Identify your graphics card manufacturer like Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Visit the manufacturer's website. Navigate to the support or download section. Download the latest drivers for your graphics card model. Install the drivers and restart your computer. Corrupted game files can lead to crashes. Verify the integrity of your game files through the Epic Games Launcher. Open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library. Find Fortnite and click on the three dots next to it. Select Verify. Wait for the process to complete and then relaunch the game. Sometimes, in-game settings may conflict with your system. Adjust these settings for better stability. Launch Fortnite and go to the Settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, especially shadows and textures. Disable VSync and motion blur. Apply the changes and restart the game. If previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider reinstalling Fortnite. Open the Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, and locate Fortnite. Click on the three dots and select Uninstall. After uninstallation, reinstall the game from the Epic Games Launcher. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Fortnite Crash Reporter error on your PC. Always keep your drivers updated and check for background applications that may cause conflicts. If issues persist, consider seeking further support from Epic Games or community forums. Happy gaming!